Today I'm presenting my burger hack game changer with Worcestershire sauce or Worcestershire sauce. First thing you want to do is grab a sandwich bag, pour the Worcestershire sauce inside, or Worcestershire sauce, however you pronounce it, and then you want to take your rolled up hamburger meat, put it inside, shake it up like Zendaya and Bella Thorne. Here's the best part, the grill seasoning. Yeah, you have the onion powder mixed with the black pepper, essence seasoning, and then, last and final, seasoning salt. Seasoning salt, as you can see, these burgers will be flavorful, not flavorless. Then add the most important part here, butter the buns. Make sure you butter them thoroughly.
Oh, shit.
Now here's the real magic. Apply the cheese. Not too soon, not too late. Apply the burger. Smash it, flip it, cut it. Add the condiments on the side. Me, I prefer barbecue sauce. Now, let's taste it out. Bon appetit!